18th of September 2013. So this is my first reflection from our IGCSE 101 tutor group, and so far in the past few weeks, me and my partner who started the IGCSE 101 tutor group, we have planned out and carried out everything that needs to be done before our first session, which is next Monday. So what went well with our planning was that we really were on the same level, on the same page for everything. We came up with the name together. We came up with what we wanted to do, how we wanted to help, and she's just an amazing partner, and I'm really glad that I have her to help me with planning everything, because when you start something that you want to cater for people, it just needs to be something good. You can't expect people to give you a good response, a long-term good response, if it's not top-notch. And I just thought that being partners with her was the best thing that could happen to this group. So she really helped me. We made a lot of decisions together. What we started off, basically the idea came up when we were sitting together during study period, and we just thought, how lucky would we be? Because we just got our AQA results then, and we were just like, if we had people who took IGCSEs before and helped us, it would have been great. And there we just got the idea we should make a group, because we were introduced to our integrated project 2 days before that day, and we realized that this could be integrated as we hit both service and creativity, which I think we hit a lot of creativity hours in the past few weeks, because every meeting we had with each other was the build up to our service hours, which would start next Monday. And so the first thing we did that would count was we wanted to promote our group, so we went to teachers and we asked them if they could promote us during PSHE, and she made posters and hung it around school, and I made a website, which I would post a link somewhere, and it basically shows what we were doing, and it had this column that says meet your tutors, and it had all our tutor faces. Oh, and we also made an application form for everyone. We sent it out to everyone in year 12 and 13 if they wanted to apply to be in our group, which I thought was really interesting because we had a huge response, and we ended up having to decline some people. We stuck with 10. So as of today, we have 10 tutors, and we also made a form to ask the IGCSE learners if they had any questions to ask us before our first session started, and so far we have 9 people confirmed who are coming, which is great, I think, which is really great, I feel, because and that's just the ones that are confirmed. So hopefully next Monday we would have at least one person for everyone. And yeah, the thing was that, and today we had a meeting with all the tutors to see if they had any questions, and basically the questions arise mostly based on the subjects that we were teaching, because we came up with we stated what subjects we were comfortable with, and from that we try to, I really am not sure on how it would work on the actual day, but this is our plan. We plan to see what people need and assign them to the teachers best suited for them. So I've signed up for all sciences and maths and business, and so I hope that would, and so I had a great time working with my partner and planning with all the tutors, because the tutors also gave us feedback on what they think we should come up with. One of them came up with the fact that we should not just be a tutor group, but we would also try to be our personal support, because although we have a counselor in our school, we sometimes feel like, maybe talking to a friend or someone who is around our age would be more helpful than going to a counselor. So that's how we got the idea to set up not only a study session but also a personal one-on-one session. And it'll be held in our IB common room, which I think is amazing because it just makes everyone feel like we're together. Because technically the IB common room is only for IB learners, but with that session we bring in people outside from IB, so I just feel like there's a stronger connection. I hope. I'm really nervous for Monday, but we'll see what happens.